Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about what is standard deviation. So let's see what is it. Standard deviation is the number that describes how spread out the value are. So a lower standard deviation means the most of the numbers are close to the mean value, and the high standard deviation means that the most of the values are spread out over a wider range. So what is the meaning of standard deviation? If you are having any with the standard deviation means how much values you are having and how much it is spread out. Okay, so if the number is very close enough to the is very small or close to the mean value, if we call the mean value is low. Okay, so low standard deviation mean that is the meaning that it is very close to the mean value. The high standard deviation means that the value are spread out to the wider range. Okay, for example, here I am giving you the speed value. Okay, after that, if I need to find this value, first I have to see that what all the values that are already available. So first I have to write that x is equal to numpy dot std of speed. So this will provide you the standard deviation. Okay, so is this near to the lowest value or the higher value? So here on screen you can see that after that we will get the value, and then I will just write here like this, and this is the second example that I'm mentioning. Let me reload it. So here I'm getting the yeah. So this is the standard deviation for it. So it will help you to understand what is the exact standard deviation. What is the exact, how much your value is, how much your value is spread out. Okay. So it will help you to understand by this. Okay. So that standard deviation is 0.9 here. That means the most values are within the range of the 0.9 from the mean value, which is the 86.4. So that is the meaning of the standard deviation. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.